5 times 84, Brianna, what's the answer? You can't use any words? Act it out then, please. 420 is correct. 420 times 69, Jimmy? He didn't have any words left. Not a word. It's not a word. Did you hear her scream in math class today? She's such a loser. Brittany, you only had one word left. Please spare me. I didn't know haha was a word. Please. Yay, Sissy came to pick me up. You two speak right now or I'm going to kill your mother. Mommy! I said speak! Here's your soulmate candy cane. No, don't eat it. You need it to find your soulmate. Only your soulmate's candy cane will match with yours, making a heart. But every year you'll only be given the candy cane for the month of December.
So I only get 1 month to find my soulmate every year?
Yes, so you better get looking. Hi, Bree.
Timmy, let me see your candy cane. Let's see if we're soulmates.
Does it match?
No, too big.
You broke my candy cane. It's finally the month of December. It's time to look for our soulmates.
This year is going to be the year I find my soulmate. I just know it. Jake, let me see your candy cane.
Is it a match?
It's too small.
Size doesn't matter.
In this case, it does. What? It's December 31st already, and I still haven't found anyone that matches my candy cane.
Hey, Bree. I'm having a New Year's party. Everyone's invited. Want to come through?
New Year's party. That's a perfect place to meet your soulmate.
Here's a drink. Time to party.
No time for chit-chat. I need to find who matches my candy cane. Kevin, can I see your candy cane? Let's see if we're soulmates.
I ate mine by mistake. Brianna, do you want a drink?
Let me see your candy cane. I'm gonna have to pass on that drink.
Can you at least try to enjoy the party?
I've tried everyone here. No one matches my candy cane.
Attention everyone, the new year is in 1 minute.
It's almost January 1st. That means I haven't found my soulmate this year again.
You've made this entire night about you and finding your soulmate. You completely wasted my New Year's Eve.
You're right. I'm sorry.
So you never found your soulmate?
Nope, I never did. But I realized there's more to life than finding your soulmate.
Are you telling stories again?
My best friend never found her soulmate either.
Yep, I still have my candy cane. Alright everyone, choose carefully between the blue or the red pill.
Mine has a third option. It says green.
That's so strange.
I'm gonna choose it. It could be something amazing.
Brianna, look, I can fly.
Whoa!
What special ability did you get?
I don't know. Nothing's happened yet. I probably don't even have ability. I knew I shouldn't have chose that green one.
Don't look now. Your crush Kevin is coming this way.
Hi, Kevin. Kevin!
Oh no. He's not breathing.
Emily, what is going on? Emily!
What happened here? I'll go get the nurse.
Don't you understand, Brittany? They're gone. Brittany! What is going on? Wait a minute. It's me. I did this. Every time I said their name, they stopped breathing.
What happened here?
I don't know. Everybody just all of a sudden collapsed.
Quickly, come with me. We need to figure out what's going on. Hello, I'm Officer Brad.
Hello, officer.
I like to make this a comfortable environment. Don't worry, you can address me by my name.
No.
Don't be disrespectful. Say my name. It's rude not to do what a police officer says. Say it.
Brad?
I can't believe what happened to Officer Brad. He dropped, just like the others.
I know, it's crazy.
I found something strange on the security footage. Will you come have a look at it with me?
Yeah, of course.
There must be some kind of pattern. It looks like everybody dropped right after you said their name.
Have you shown anybody else this footage?
No, I just discovered it. You deleted everything.
That's all I need. Goodbye, Susan.
The teacher, she fell to the floor.
I know, I don't know what happened.
She's not breathing. You did something. You said goodbye and then she dropped. How did you know she would do that?
You talk too much, Gary.
Attention everyone. In order to keep all of our students safe, school will be canceled until this situation is resolved. Thank you for your patience. Yay, no school! I hope this case never gets resolved. It's so weird what happened. They just stopped breathing for literally no reason. Look, it's her. She was there for the whole thing. She saw everything that happened.
Yeah, and it was absolutely traumatizing. I'll need at least a week to recover.
There's no way. You're definitely involved in this somehow. Yeah, she's right. How come you're the only one who's safe?
You guys really need to know when to stop talking. Cynthia.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Jennifer. What? I only have 1 day left?
Look who's 18 now. How much time did you get?
1 day.
Here, I got 99 years. I'll give you some of my time.
Thanks, but it doesn't really matter. My time's gonna run out sooner or later anyways.
Hey, let's go to that coffee shop you love so much. It will cheer you up for sure.
Good idea.
I'll be right back. I'm just gonna use the bathroom. Why do you look so sad?
Oh, you know, it's nothing. It's just that my time left is only 1 week, so...
I wish I only had a week left. I got infinite time. I've already lived hundreds of years.
Infinite time? That's not even possible. Where did she go?
What did I miss?
A strange lady just approached me telling me she has infinite time and that she wishes she only had a week left.
Infinite time is impossible.
No way. She gave me her infinite time. I have to find her.
Wait,
Where did she go? She couldn't have gone that far.
Brianna, don't you understand? She gave you all her time, meaning she's gone. For good.
I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna give you at least a couple hundred years, you know, so I'm not so lonely, living for all eternity.
Error. Error.
It won't let me. Either I give you my infinite years or nothing. I'm gonna be all alone. Why are you crying? Are you okay?
My time left is only 2 days.
It's going to be okay. You're not going anywhere.
No, you don't understand. It's over for me. I've already been lent so much time. What are you doing?
Goodbye.
Your Majesty, we found this peasant running around holding this sign begging for more words.
What a pity. A wordless beggar. Feed him to the dogs.
Your Majesty, please, help my family.
You only had 6 words left, and you wasted them on me. How pathetic.
Your Majesty, you have infinity words, and the townspeople are really struggling. You could give them all words, and you'd still have infinity.
And why would I do that? I run a palace, not a charity.
You are one evil, evil queen.
Who are you? Reveal yourself immediately.
You don't deserve all those words.
Guards, a witch stole my words.
Where'd she go?
Give me your words. Immediately.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I cannot. Hello, Queen. You'd like to sell this crown? Too bad. I won't buy from you.
These are real diamonds and gold.
Yes, but you're a selfish queen, and you don't deserve any more words. Sorry, Your Majesty. I'll clean everything up quickly. Give me your words immediately? I'm sorry, but I don't have much to give.
Guards, chop off her head.
I've never seen you this quiet before.
Word thief.
Don't worry, I gave your words to someone more deserving. That servant girl, she's safe, and she has infinity words now. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'll clean everything up quickly. Give me your words immediately? I'm sorry, but I don't have much to give.
Guards, chop off her head.
What?
Get over here.
Hello, darling. This is for you.
Infinity words?
They'll be back. Come quickly. I'd like to sell these diamonds. Trying to scam me. These diamonds are fake.
I'll buy those from you.
Really? Why would you do that?
Is 1,000 words okay?
Yes, please. Servant girl.
Your Majesty. Look, I'll give you words, as many as you want. All I ask is that you promise to be kind to me.
Take this.
Crown?
Take over as queen. Okay, class, did everyone receive their intelligence score?
No way, she got a 0.
What are you doing?
I need to work really hard and prove everyone wrong. Good morning, Donna.
Here's your coffee.
Thank you.
How did she become a CEO when she has an intelligence score of 0?
Catherine,
Yes, boss?
you'll be in charge of coffee runs today.
No way, seriously?
Seriously. Come in.
Hey, I was just thinking it'd be a better image for the company if you put your intelligence score to private. We wouldn't want people thinking an idiot runs this company, right?
Let them think what they want to think.
I know, but
You may be excused. All right, everyone. Let's begin the meeting.
It's so cool to have a CEO with an intelligence score of 100. What? I can't believe you have an intelligence score of 100. You're so cool. Look at this article. You're getting praised everywhere. You're the first person in the world to reach an intelligence score of 100.
So now, because I have an intelligence score of 100, everyone all of a sudden respects me? Good morning, everyone. I'd like you all to meet our new hires.
Are you serious? These are the new hires? Their intelligence scores are extremely low. Hey, boss, why did you hire a bunch of new staff that are, well, to put it lightly, dimwits?
Have you spoken to any of them?
No.
Well, then I would like to ask you to speak with one of them, and I can assure you the staff I hire are very intellectual. Oh my.
Woo, party! Boss, all these dimwits you hired threw a party and they're destroying the office. Ooh, this is so pretty.
No, don't! What have I done?
Here's your lunch.
Thank you? What is this?
Hurry now, you don't want to be late for school.
Mom, you've kissed that many people?
Excuse me?
Gross.
Hey, bestie.
Hey! No way. You haven't had your first kiss yet?
What are you talking about? I've definitely had my first kiss.
Come on, it's me. You can tell me the truth.
I am telling the truth. I've kissed like 6 guys.
Okay. I believe you.
I'm telling the truth.
hey, baby.
Dave. 15? Ooh, well, as long as they were before he met me, I guess.
Good morning, baby. I got you flowers.
You're so sweet. Thank you.
Anything for you. Is everything okay? What's wrong?
Oh, nothing. I'll see you later, okay?
Love you.
Bestie, I really need to talk to you about something. You see, my boyfriend... No way. Bestie, you've had your first kiss?
I already told you, I had my first kiss a long time ago. I've kissed tons of guys.
Why do you keep lying to me?
Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. Isn't it? Hey, do you know where Brianna is? She's been avoiding me all day. No clue.
Bestie, could you be honest with me for once? Did you kiss my boyfriend? Because I saw that your kiss count went up and his kiss count went up.
First of all, how do you know our kiss counts? And no, I didn't kiss your boyfriend. I don't even like men. That's why I've been lying, saying I've kissed a bunch of guys. I was nervous about coming out, and I didn't want to tell you this way.
I'm so sorry. I just wanted to know who my boyfriend cheated on me with.
Good morning, Mom. I spy with my little eye my mom.
Here, take your vision blocking glasses.
I spy with my little eye these vision blocking glasses.
Wear them as much as you can, so you don't have to say I spy all the time. I barely take mine off.
I spy with my little eye the ground. I spy with my little eye the bush. I spy with my little eye the bus.
Class, can anyone tell me why the earth is flat?
My eyes are so itchy. My glasses, where'd they go?
Timmy, say I spy.
I spy with my little eye a beautiful girl named Brianna.
Chad, is that you?
Of course it's me. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those. Take off your glasses so I can see your beautiful eyes.
I don't know. It's not really safe.
Come on, Brianna. I just want to see your eyes. You know you can trust me.
Okay.
Give me those.
I spy with my little eye Chad.
Give me back my glasses.
No way. I lost mine. Catch me if you can.
I spy with my little eye the wall. I spy with my little eye Chad. I spy with my little eye my vision blocking glasses.
Hey, give them back.
No, they're mine. And if you have your eyes open, you need to say I spy.
I spy with my little...
Chad? Chad?
Attention everyone. For population control, you may no longer wear your vision blocking glasses or keep your eyes closed for an extended period of time. Anyone who breaks these rules will be killed.
I spy with my little eye